ThinkPRO upgrade bolt extractor. So it comes in a really sturdy and solid case. All you have to do to open it is slide the yellow tab to the left and it opens up just like that. On the very top, it tells you what every single piece is and their size. Even ingrained into the case itself, it tells you the size of extractions they can do for each little bolt. It tells you each of the long poles here. They have a 3/8 hex adapter and a 1/4 inch hex adapter, as well as an extractor bar, which is kind of sweet. This is meant specifically for if you have stripped screws and stuff like that, and you need to burrow in and take it out of where it is to put a new screw in there. Real quickly, I'm just going to go ahead and we will cut to a demonstration.
Okay guys, well, have a couple bolts here and 11mm, and we got this one, just unscrewing it, no problem. Uh-oh, it's stripped. All right, so we take our extractor bolts here and we get one on there that's gonna fit, and that was this one. It's the 10mm goes on there, and there we are. Put that in our, and see if we can't pull that one out of there. Look at that. Okay, now if this is stuck in there, which it wasn't, but if it was stuck, we could take this little extractor pole, put it in there, and just kind of bash that down, and that would push that through there. But that worked like a charm. You can see this is like completely pretty much rounded off, and this one just bit right onto there and was able to extract it nicely. So these things work pretty awesome. I know if you have like a mechanic or working on like rusty bolts and things like that, some of these can get rounded off pretty easily. And so instead of trying to hassle them out with a pair of pliers or something like this, especially in a difficult or small or a tight area where you wouldn't be able to access it, these are going to get the job done for you. So thanks for watching this, my friends. Have a wonderful day, and we'll see you next time.